Which of these travel trailers is your favorite? Watch till the end and let us know about your best option in the comments section. Bowlus Volterra. Starting off our video today is this travel trailer, dubbed by the manufacturer as the world's first all-electric RV. The Volterra from Bowlus is the most luxurious and powerful camper trailer, offering twice the power of the Terra Firma camper from the same company. The signature Bowlus Aerosolar solar system can charge the Volterra battery management system while cruising on the highway or parked at your campsite. The revolutionary Volterra delivers game-changing energy use with a holistic structural integration by designing the entire Volterra as the epitome of refined power and performance. Inside you will find a precise blend of elevated luxury and thoughtfully designed technologies that ensures a serene escape with every adventure. Other notable features include an induction cooktop, backup camera, satellite internet, 480-watt solar panels, a 50-gallon fresh water tank, and a 17-kilowatt-hour battery system. The Volterra is ready to take you on a lengthy, allegedly indefinite journey. The price starts at a whopping $310,000. Airstream's Flying Cloud. This is a camping trailer designed to make life easy, with up to 8 varying floor plans, no matter how many you're traveling with, and even the option of a miniature office. The Flying Cloud is the most popular, versatile, and family-friendly travel trailer from Airstream. Stylish and practical, it's decked out in neutral tones with comfortable elements for a stress-free experience. As well as all of the essentials, Airstream's Flying Cloud comes complete with multiple USB ports and a pop-up USB or AC outlet supported by the onboard 1,000-watt power inverter. The office area even has a swivel chair. With its abundant storage, you can bring on the pots, pans, food, clothes, camping and hiking gear, and more. The kitchen is composed of high-end appliances like a Furrion 3-burner gas stove, Baraldi cooking vent, and built-in microwave make cooking fun and easy. The price starts at $94,400. Oliver Legacy Elite 2. Legacy Elite 2 is a fiberglass trailer known for its high-quality construction, spacious interior, and luxurious amenities, including a full kitchen, bathroom, and comfortable sleeping arrangements. The Legacy Elite 2 is the most popular camper trailer from its manufacturer that claims to have built a true four-seasons camper. The company builds the Legacy Elite 2 with 2 floor plan options, so you can choose between the standard or twin-bed floor plans. Both floor plans have a full bathroom that includes a toilet, sink, and shower. It features a total length of 7.16 meters and gross vehicle weight of 3,175 kilograms. In addition to the standard features, you can also personalize Oliver Legacy Elite IA camper trailers by adding or upgrading some of the components to match the style of camping you plan to do. The price of this off-road camping trailer starts at $73,500. Drake. If you want a high-ceiling RV, then Drake from the Land Ark RV Company is your best option. It's efficiently built as a high-design house, but sized like an RV to give you ultimate freedom of use. Drake is designed to live large with the capacity to sleep up to 6 with 2 lofts and a main-level flex room. It features a maximum gross vehicle weight rating of 21,000 pounds, dry weight of 16,700 pounds, and carrying capacity of 4,300 pounds. In addition, the kitchen has 3-burner stainless steel LP gas cooktop, stainless steel modern kitchen sink, refrigerator, and freezer. While the living room is composed of built-in sofa with custom umbrella cushions, built-in shelving for laptops, AV equipment, etc., you can visit the official website of the manufacturer for more information. The price starts from $159,900. Jayco Whitehawk. Luxury and lightweight don't always go hand in hand, but Jayco Company managed to pack both in this Whitehawk lineup. To start, take control of all the technology in your coach with Jayco with the TPMS Smart RV system. From an app on your phone or screen in your coach, control what happens inside and out while staying safe with our tire pressure monitoring system. White Hawk provides convenience and comfort for all your travels. White Hawk's floor plans may be lightweight, but they certainly don't sacrifice features. Modern farmhouse and vintage washed gray decor packages echo what you'll find in residential interiors, while Murphy beds and double bunks provide enough room to fit your family. Don't need to fit a family? Rear kitchen and rear living floor plans offer room to spread out and enjoy. The starting price is $52,497 sleeps up to 10, weights between 6,655 and 8,180 pounds. Reflection. The Grand Design Reflection combines luxury, value, and towability in one amazing package. Grand Design's commitment to exceeding customer expectations in quality and service has quickly made the Reflection a top-selling name in North America. If you want the best in class, you found it. Reflection is luxurious yet sensible, a trailer that's sturdy and dependable while still remaining stylish and comfortable. It's a spacious RV camper that can sleep up to 5, almost a mini apartment, rather than a simple bed and sink pull-along trailer. Home to plenty of electronics, including a Bluetooth sound system, LED TV, motion sensor lighting, and more, you'll never feel anything less than refreshed and satisfied staying in one of these travel trailers. The starting price for the models is $66,722. Outdoors RV Blackstone. Outdoors RV presents the Blackstone Mountain Series travel trailers, consisting of 5 models. These trailers are built to endure all your adventures with remarkable toughness. The rugged 8-inch chassis design and 5,200-pound axles ensure durability, while the XL ground clearance allows you to venture off the beaten path. Experience year-round camping with the Mountain Extreme thermal pane windows and triple-layered 4 Seasons roof insulation. The integrated A-frame and custom-built off-road chassis provide further durability. Inside, the residential height countertops offer a homely feel, complemented by the XL panoramic slide-out windows and ultra-leather furniture. Convenient features include the 1-inch thick exterior shower and luggage doors, XL furnace, marine-grade aluminum entry steps, and more. The 250 RDS model boasts a full dry weight of 7,720 pounds, an 80-gallon fresh water tank capacity, a refrigerator, a gross vehicle weight rating of 110,000, and other impressive specifications. ERV. Experience a new level of off-the-grid living with the groundbreaking ERV, the world's first fully electric camping trailer. The interior of the ERV is specially designed to make you feel like you're right at home while on the road. The ERV's interior is packed with features that deliver the ultimate experience when it comes to comfort and convenience. This fully electric off-grid caravan features leather upholstery, air conditioner, 3-piece bed head, pillow top mattress, ceramic cassette toilet, and a fully fiberglass shower. If you want a truly off-road, off-grid experience with your caravan, then the exterior needs to be able to withstand some extreme conditions. This is what makes the ERV totally different from anything you would have experienced before. The exterior features a toolbox on A-frame, TV entertainment hatch, and a gray water tank. External BBQ grilling and cooking is also possible with the electric Weber BBQ with its own pull-out tray. The ERV signature color is always white, which helps minimize thermal transfer into the cabin body by reflecting the heat away. The gross vehicle weight rating and dry weight is 4,218 and 1,466 kilograms. The starting price is $67,500. Winnebago Micro Mini FLX. Another incredible camper trailer is the Winnebago Micro Mini FLX, a self-sufficient off-grid solution. With 5 integrated technologies, it offers the comforts of home for up to 5 days without a generator or external hookups. Available in 5 floor plans with slide-out features, it can sleep up to 5 people. The Micro Mini FLX boasts ample living space and storage, despite its compact size. The fully equipped galley includes a 3-burner cooktop, microwave convection oven, refrigerator, and stainless steel sink. Inside, you'll find a comfortable dinette and a Bluetooth-compatible entertainment system. Outside, there's additional storage, a power patio awning with LED lighting, and exterior speakers. The Micro Mini FLX sets itself apart with its integrated technologies. It comes with solar panels, a charge controller, a lithium-ion battery, and a 3,000-watt inverter for untethered power. The Truma Aquago water heater, Vario heat furnace, and a Venta air conditioner conserve electricity and propane. High-efficiency appliances like the Shower Miser system and the 10.3 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator maximize essential resources. The price starts at $64,241 for the cheapest floor plan. Thanks for watching the video. Let us know in the comment section what you think about it. Also, don't forget to watch the next video on your screen. We're sure you'll love it too.